Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert RAW files to JPG in the Lightroom app. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Lightroom app on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one photo that you want to edit. Now edit the photo however you like to edit it. You can use the given toolbars to edit the photo. After editing, here you can find the option of share button at the top right corner. Now select it. Then here you can see export as button. Go ahead and select it. Now to change the file into the JPG form, tap on to the TIFF file type right here and then simply tap on to JPG button right here. Now you can see the RAW file has been changed into the JPG file. And that's it. This is how you can convert the RAW files into the JPG version in the Lightroom app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.